Pakistan today said that it will not start any dialogue with India if Kashmir issue was not a part of the agenda, even as U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry advised the two neighbors to resume peace talks. National Security Advisor Sartaj Aziz and John Kerry addressed a joint press conference in Islamabad after talks which were part of the bilateral strategic dialogue. Mr. Aziz said that the cancellation of last year's scheduled talks over meeting with Kashmiri leaders shows that India was not interested to talk on this issue. Pakistan will not start talks with India without Kashmir, he said. Mr. Kerry said U.S. would continue to encourage the two sides to move forward and hold dialogue to resolve the issue. He also voiced concern over the border tension between the two neighbors. "We continue to be deeply concerned by the recent spate of increased violence along the working boundary and the line of control," Mr. Kerry said. "It is profoundly in the interests of Pakistan and India to move this relationship forward," he added. Mr. Aziz claimed that India was involved in unprovoked firing across the border. The two sides in the dialogue also discussed the relations between Pakistan and India. India called off Foreign Secretary-level talks with Pakistan in August last year after Pakistan High Commissioner in New Delhi Abdul Basit held talks with Kashmiri separatists. Please subscribe the video.